there, today we are going to make pineapple upside down cake.
Here are some fresh pineapples. I'm going to arrange them inside a greased baking tray.
In this bowl, I have 2 beaten eggs. It looks light and fluffy. Add some powdered sugar and beat it with an electric whisk. Ask a grown-up to help.
Sprinkle some brown sugar.
Add some butter. Pour some essence and give it a quick whisk. Add some flour and mix it. The batter is thick, so pour milk or water to loosen it. Bake it in a preheated oven for 25 minutes. It has cooled down. Let us flip it over.
Voila! This is a pineapple upside down cake. Enjoy!